Hey, hey, hey guys, it's me. There's the company logo. See if I can center it. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? Now I'm just up here on the hill. We're on a long drag. Guys are skidding. I was waiting on wood, so I got a little project I'm gonna do because we had a close call yesterday. The dozer almost burned up, but I shouldn't say almost burned up. It was on fire, but we got it out. So, I mean, I had a fire extinguisher in it, but I have fire extinguishers in everything. But it was one of these little doodads, which is better than nothing, right? But I am going to put another one in there because it's well worth it. I think that 5-pounder was 68 bucks, and then the mount for it, the heavy duty bracket, was, I don't know, probably another 40 or 50, but I don't care, it's well worth it. Here's the mounting bracket I'm going to use. Hey, can you believe it? It's not raining. It's a miracle. It's not supposed to rain all day today. We'll believe it when we see it. Okay, so there's the hefty duty mounting bracket, and I'm going to mount it up in here somewhere. I'm probably just going to span a set of these doodads there, the spring, whatever you call them, and mount it in there that way. And I found this at the shop for a little, I don't even know what it's off of, but it'll work good for a thing to go over the cage and squeeze it in. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be back with you in a minute. But yeah, we had a fire down in here. There isn't even that much stuff in there, but we tried to clean it out the best we could. But you know, a few of those get down in there. Look at how dry everything gets, you know. I mean, try and keep the stuff clean, but it's pretty impossible. Because what happens, you know, some leaves get sucked in there, and then they get around the exhaust, and they get hot, and then they fall down into the, you know, they get an ember on them, and they fall down into the belly. And this one's pretty dry down in there, as far as like not having a bunch of oil or anything. But still, you get, you know, get a bunch of this dry leaves and stuff in there, and then the fan from, you know, the what do you call it? The wind from the fan sucking through there, and boy, I'll tell you what. So Cammy was running it, widening the road down here for us, and he called me. He says, I got it out, but so we had to rush back over there with another extinguisher. We didn't need it. It didn't burn much. I mean, it was just getting going, and he luckily got it out. God, I don't want to lose another machine. Ugh. I got to drive by the rusting hulk of the cutter every day over here. I got to get that out of here too. I ended up buying it back for salvage, so I got to get it out of here. The cutting head stuff's still good on it, so. But all right, well, I'll do another one here in a minute, and I'll let you know how I make out. We're gonna mount that 5-pounder. I've got a little mount up here for this already. I'll just put that one back in, and I'm gonna mount this one up in here. I'll show you make a little short vid when it's done, part 2, eh? Since I'm not much of an editor. All right, ta-ta, guys.